You click on Health and Wellness on the right of the United Healthcare portal, and you'll see it comes up to your page where you can find health and wellness related information. You have over-the-counter shopping, which we'll talk about in a minute. You have your rewards area where you log your gym hours or your visit for a physical or wealth check at the end of the year, and you get points and money on a credit card, and you can find gyms and your renew active code to go exercise. But we're looking at how to order things over the counter. When you click on OTC, you'll be brought up to a page that shows your balance that you're allowed to spend. If you scroll down on that page, you'll see a listing of products. Not sure how they're organized, but you can click above on different categories, but we'll just look on this one. Some nasal spray, you can add it to cart. It's in stock. You can pick the quantity you want. It gives you the price. And for now, we'll just go back and browse some more products. When you're browsing, you can see if an item is in stock or out of stock. If it's out of stock, of course, you can't order it. Let's search for some Claritin. Type something in the search bar, click on it, and you see these are the different Claritins that are available. At this point, you could do some competitive shopping to check out the prices in another website if you want to, but I'm interested in the 70 count. It's in stock. I'm going to add it to the count. It's $38 plus tax, which should be right over my $40 balance. Yeah, I owe $2.19. That should prompt me for another means of payment to make up the difference. And it says so in the red words here that I need to make up the balance. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that. I'm going to come down and hit checkout. It's got my delivery address, place my order. Surprise, surprise. To my surprise, it didn't charge me any taxes, so I didn't spend the entire $40. I'm not sure why that happened. It might be because United Healthcare doesn't have a physical presence in Texas, and therefore I don't have to pay taxes, even though it's fulfilled by Walmart, which does have a physical presence. But in any case, I didn't have to pay taxes. And then I checked my email and I saw the Walmart order was received and is being processed. 3 days later, there it is.